Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be the other mother from Coraline on Dress to Impress. So here is the skin tone that I use. It's the DFB 9B6 color code. And then for the nails, I just did the black ones and I just did this long one. And for the hair, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to color that black. For the custom makeup, I just did this. You can even probably add like the cracks as well, like this if you'd like to, or not, it's fine. I also like use the heart shape for the buttons, like the heart shape eyeshadow, the like closed eye, these lips, this nose, and these brows. And I also added like this contour, colored it black. For the outfit, we're going to need the VIP one. They removed the pattern, so we're just going to improvise with this one over here. And then we're going to use this one. This top I meant. And we are going to use this skirt. For the shoes, we're going to use this one first. Then we're going to use these shoes, select the even higher on. And we're going to color both of the colors black like this. Lastly, we're going to use the choker and the doll. So go to the dressing rooms, select this one, and for the doll, we're going to use this one from the coats. Toggle it to the cuddle one. For the third toggle, we're going to color it this yellow. We're going to color this pink. And then for the hair, we're going to color it this blue. And then we're going to color it yellow. That's it. I think it's super simple. If the theme is like Halloween or something, you can just put this on. Make sure you've set the custom makeup first though. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.